Welcome, seekers of the path. I am Sensei Lotus, a companion on your journey, not a master who dictates answers. In a world often filled with noise and haste, I invite you to discover the silence where you truly find yourself. Like the lotus rising from the mud, your greatest strength often takes root in life's challenges. It's not the perfect moment that matters, but the step you take now. Here, you'll find wisdom for the mind, balance for the soul, and strength for the heart. Together, we'll explore the art of living with humor, depth, and the power that already resides within you. Subscribe to this sanctuary of inspiration and take your path with calm and clarity. This is not the end. It's the beginning of your adventure.